everyone, I am Trishti Bhatia from SV Classes. Welcome to my channel. Today's mode of discussion is how to prepare our self notes. You must have seen in my previous videos that I lay a lot of focus in preparing the self notes because this is a response which I got from the board students as well as the university students that they couldn't score well just because the syllabus was very wide. It is true that the syllabus is usually too wide to be revised in a single day. So what is the solution? The solution lies in making notes. So in this video we will be discussing some very good techniques of preparing self notes, and the same technique can be used in writing the answers. So as a result, our answers look much better. They look very attractive for the examiner, and hence we can score good marks. So let's see what are those methods. But before that, I would again like to remind you to please like, share and subscribe the channel, and you can also drop your comments in the comment section. So let's see those methods.
So for concrete learning, we will follow 3 methods to prepare self notes and using those same skills in writing the answers. But we should always remember that preparing these self notes are one of the technique of learning by doing, because when we are making these notes, we are not only writing, we are actually learning to make notes. We are actually learning to present our work. We are actually improving our writing skills. So here are 3 methods. First is by using pointers, second is graphical representation, and third is note making. So as you can see on the screen, that I have taken one character of frog from one of the poem, The Frog and the Nightingale, from class 10th standard. Now here are 2 characters, and I have prepared a list of traits of the frog by using comma. So now when I have to revise this poem, or when I need to revise the character of frog, I just open this sheet and learn, or just go through once these characters which I have written by using commas. This is how we can prepare our short notes. Now, so as I was telling you that there are 2 major characters in the poem. One is frog and one is the nightingale. This is one of the example of graphical representation where I have shown the several traits of the frog and the nightingale, and it looks very interactive also and easy to learn. This is how we prepare graphical representation. So now let's see one more example of graphical representation and pointers.
So this is a very good example of graphical representation wherein I have written the name of the poem in between, and each and every information related to that poem is mentioned on one single page. For example, the poetic devices, word meanings, critical analysis and theme. So the benefit we get from this is that whenever we want to have a quick revision of our notes of the chapter or the poem, we don't have to look into the book again and again because we have our ready-made notes available to us. So this is a very good example of graphical representation. Also, when we are sitting in the examination, either it is board examination or any examination at college level, so if we are showcasing our work in this manner through graphical representation, through step-by-step process, it definitely helps us in gaining better marks, because a better presentation leads to better marks. Now let's move to next slide. So this is the pointers method as I discussed with you. As you can see that I have used the bullets on the left hand side to show the important points. So this is also a very good method of making self notes and writing our answers also. Whenever we are writing the answers using bullets, it definitely makes our work easier, and the answer also looks attractive. The last but not the least, the third and most important method is note making method. Now this method is beneficial to us in 2 ways, because note making comes as a separate question for classes 11th and 12th, और अगर हम इस मेथड से अपने नोट्स बनाएंगे तो हमें 2 तरीके से बेनिफिट होगा. फर्स्ट, वी आर ऑल्सो प्रैक्टिसिंग द नोट मेकिंग, एंड सेकेंड थिंग, वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग आवर सेल्फ नोट्स यूजिंग कीवर्ड्स एंड एब्रीविएशंस and writing summary as well. So preparing notes using note making method is a very good method of preparing notes. So because it actually helps us in gaining confidence over note making also. So with the coming videos of SV classes, we will be discussing more such methods and techniques to score good marks in the examination, whether they are board examinations or they are college level examinations. So stay tuned to SV classes. I am Shrishti Bhatia. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.